Imagine this. Every word you speak, whether aloud or silently in your mind, carries the power to shape the world around you. Your reality isn't just something that happens to you, it's a reflection of your inner speech, your assumptions, and the vibrations you put out into the universe. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary truth. The creative power of your speech can manifest a new reality. We'll explore the secrets of Neville Goddard and ancient wisdom, revealing the steps you can take to transform your life from the inside out. The law of assumption, shaping reality with belief. Neville Goddard's law of assumption is more than a philosophy. It's a blueprint for transformation. At its core, this principle reveals a simple yet profound truth. Your reality mirrors your dominant beliefs. Whatever you assume to be true, whether consciously or unconsciously, shapes the events, circumstances, and people that fill your life. Think of your mind as a projector and your assumptions as the film. The world you see is the screen, merely reflecting what you've loaded into the projector. If the film is flawed, filled with doubt, fear, or lack, your life reflects those flaws. But if the film is vivid, brimming with love, confidence, and abundance, your life transforms into a masterpiece. Start by observing the recurring themes in your life. Are you constantly facing financial struggles? Do relationships seem to slip through your fingers? These patterns often stem from limiting assumptions like, "I'm not good with money," or "I'm unworthy of love." Write down these beliefs to bring them into conscious awareness. Once you've identified a limiting assumption, replace it with an empowering one. For example, "I am always supported financially," or "I am deeply loved and cherished." Write these new beliefs down and repeat them daily. Close your eyes and imagine the end result of your desire. See yourself living in that reality. What does it look like? More importantly, how does it feel? Allow those feelings to saturate your being. Embody your assumption in your actions and speech. Walk, talk, and make decisions as though your desired reality is already true. This alignment creates a powerful resonance with the universe, ensuring your assumption hardens into fact. The creative power of inner speech, words as building blocks. Neville's teachings emphasize that inner speech is the silent architect of your destiny. Every thought you think, every word you whisper in your mind, lays the foundation for your external reality. The conversations you hold with yourself, whether uplifting or self-defeating, are the blueprints of your life. Consider this. If you were to eavesdrop on your own mind, what would you hear? Would it be words of encouragement, self-love, and optimism? Or would it echo with doubts, fears, and criticisms? Most people are unaware of their inner speech, allowing it to run on autopilot. But here's the key. When you consciously direct your inner dialogue, you regain control over your life. Psychologists and neuroscientists have found that your brain doesn't distinguish between an imagined experience and a real one. When you repeatedly think or say something, your brain wires itself to support that belief. This is why affirmations and inner speech are so powerful. They literally reprogram your neural pathways. For instance, if you continually tell yourself, "I can't succeed," your brain activates pathways that make failure more likely. But if you affirm, "Success is natural for me," your brain primes itself to find opportunities, solutions, and actions that align with success. Start by noticing your inner speech throughout the day. Keep a journal to track recurring thoughts. Awareness is the first step toward transformation. The vibrational nature of words, energy and motion. Words are more than just tools of communication. They are vibrational frequencies that ripple through the universe, shaping reality in their wake. Ancient wisdom and modern science agree. Everything is energy, including your thoughts and words. When you speak, you send out vibrations that align with specific frequencies, attracting experiences that match those vibrations. Imagine throwing a pebble into a still pond. The ripples spread outward, affecting everything they touch. Your words are like those ripples. Speak with negativity, and you send out chaotic ripples that disrupt your reality. Speak with positivity, and you create harmonious waves that bring peace, abundance, and joy. This concept isn't just spiritual, it's backed by science. Dr. Masaru Emoto's water experiments revealed that words and intentions can physically alter the structure of water molecules. Positive words like love and gratitude formed beautiful, harmonious patterns, while negative words like hate created chaotic, disordered shapes. Considering the human body is 70% water, imagine the impact your words have on your own being. Before speaking, pause and ask, what energy am I putting into the world? Choose words that uplift, inspire, and affirm the reality you wish to create. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrational states. Start your day with statements like, I am grateful for this new day, or thank you for the abundance in my life. Words like can't, won't, or never carry limiting energy. Replace them with empowering alternatives like can, will, and always. The vibrations of those around you affect your own. Engage with people who speak with kindness, positivity, and encouragement. Limit exposure to negativity whenever possible. Use affirmations to align your vibration with your desires. For example, I am in perfect harmony with the energy of abundance. Or, every word I speak creates beauty and joy in my life. Feeling in speech, the emotional connection. Neville Goddard's teachings often emphasize that feeling is the secret. Words alone, no matter how powerful, are not enough to manifest your desires unless they are accompanied by genuine emotion. This is because emotions act as the magnetic charge that gives life to your words, turning them from abstract concepts into tangible realities. Imagine that your words are the seeds of creation. Without the soil, water, and sunlight of emotions, those seeds cannot grow. When you pair speech with a deep emotional connection, you imprint your desires onto your subconscious mind. The subconscious doesn't respond to words alone. It responds to the feelings those words evoke. Think back to a time when you were truly passionate about something. Whether it was a heartfelt goal or a cherished relationship, your emotions likely drove your actions and shaped the outcomes. The same principle applies here. The stronger the emotional charge behind your words, the more power they hold to influence your reality. Close your eyes and imagine your desire fulfilled. What emotions arise? Is it joy, relief, excitement, or peace? Identify and amplify those feelings, allowing them to flood your being. When affirming or visualizing, speak as though you are already living your desired reality. For example, instead of saying, I want to be successful, declare, I am successful. Feel the pride and confidence in those words. Music and visual imagery can enhance your emotional connection. Create a playlist that evokes the feelings associated with your desired reality, or surround yourself with images that reflect your goals. Gratitude is a powerful emotional amplifier. Say, thank you for this incredible life, even before it fully manifests. This creates a state of receiving and aligns your vibration with abundance. By aligning your words with the energy of your emotions, you create a harmonious resonance that accelerates manifestation. Remember, the universe doesn't respond to empty words. It responds to the depth of your feelings. Living in the end, embodying your desire. Neville Goddard's concept of living in the end is one of his most transformative teachings. It challenges you to move beyond hope, beyond longing, and into the state of already having what you desire. This is not wishful thinking. It's an act of faith and a profound psychological shift. Living in the end means immersing yourself in the emotional and mental state of your fulfilled desire. When you think, feel, and act as though your wish is already realized, you align your vibration with that reality, making it inevitable. Consider this. If you already had your dream job, how would you carry yourself? If you were deeply in love, how would you speak and behave? Living in the end means embodying these states now, without waiting for external circumstances to change. Every day, spend a few minutes visualizing your ideal life. See yourself experiencing the joy, freedom, and satisfaction that comes with your fulfilled desires. This mental rehearsal primes your mind and body to align with that reality. Use affirmations that reflect the end state. I am thriving in my career, or I am deeply fulfilled in my relationships. Let these statements guide your thoughts and actions throughout the day. Living in the end requires a shift in identity. Stop identifying as someone who is trying to achieve something and start identifying as someone who already has it. This subtle yet profound change transforms how you think, feel, and act. Living in the end is about embodying certainty. When you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desired state, the universe has no choice but to conform to your vision. Persist in your assumptions. Overcoming doubt. Manifestation is a journey. And like any journey, it comes with challenges. One of the biggest obstacles is doubt. When circumstances seem to contradict your desires, it's easy to falter. But Neville Goddard reminds us, your assumption, though false, if persisted in, will harden into fact. Persistence isn't about forcing or obsessing over your desire. It's about unwavering faith. It's about holding on to your assumption of success, even when reality appears to say otherwise. Think of it as planting a seed. You don't dig it up every day to check if it's growing. You trust the process and continue to nurture it with care. Make your desired assumption a part of your daily life. Visualize, affirm, and feel your desired reality every morning and night. This consistency strengthens your belief and keeps your focus on what you want. When faced with challenges, remind yourself that circumstances are temporary. Speak words of faith. This is just a step on my journey to success. Or, everything is unfolding perfectly, even if I can't see it yet. Create physical reminders of your assumption, such as a vision board, a piece of jewelry, or a written affirmation. These anchors help you stay connected to your desire throughout the day. Instead of seeing obstacles as failures, view them as opportunities to strengthen your faith. Ask yourself, how can I use this moment to grow and persist? Every step forward, no matter how small, is proof that your assumption is taking shape. Acknowledge and celebrate these moments to reinforce your belief. Persistence isn't about perfection, it's about resilience. It's about choosing to believe in your vision even when the path isn't clear. With time, your unwavering faith will turn your assumptions into undeniable realities. The silence of night. How sleep enhances speech. Sleep is a sacred gateway, a time when your conscious mind rests and your subconscious takes over. Neville taught that the moments before sleep are the most powerful for manifestation. Why? Because your subconscious is highly impressionable in this state. Before you drift off, visualize your desired reality. See it as clearly as you can, feel the emotions of living it. Whisper affirmations, I am at peace, I am thriving. These words seep into your subconscious, planting seeds that grow while you rest. When you wake, you'll find yourself aligned with the reality you envisioned. Gratitude and praise, amplifiers of creation. Gratitude isn't just a nice practice, it's a manifestation amplifier. When you express gratitude, you shift your focus from lack to abundance. This shift changes your vibration, attracting more to be thankful for. Start each day with a gratitude ritual. Speak aloud. I am grateful for my health, my home, my opportunities. Praise the good in your life, no matter how small. And don't stop there. Praise the unseen blessings yet to come. By celebrating them in advance, you invite them into your reality. Speak your reality. Let me leave you with one simple yet profound truth. You hold the power to create your reality. Your words are not just fleeting expressions, they are the building blocks of the life you live. Every thought you think, every word you speak, and every assumption you hold is shaping the world around you. Neville Goddard's teachings have shown us the creative force of inner speech, the importance of embodying our desires, and the life-changing practice of persisting in our assumptions. But this isn't just theory, it's an invitation to act, to experiment, and to transform. What will you speak into existence? Take a moment right now to reflect. What is the life you've always dreamed of? What are the desires that ignite your soul? Now, declare them. Speak them with conviction. I am worthy. I am abundant. I am living my dream life. Feel the truth of these words reverberate within you. Manifestation is not about luck or chance. It's about conscious creation. It's about becoming the deliberate architect of your own destiny. Your journey starts now. You don't need to wait for a perfect moment to begin. The perfect moment is here. Right now, commit to using your inner speech, your emotions, and your assumptions to craft the life you desire. Whether it's through daily affirmations, gratitude practices, or living in the end, the tools are already in your hands. Remember, you are the creator. The power that shapes the universe resides within you. Speak your reality into being and watch as the world bends to reflect the truth of your vision.